Dear students, for the fifth segment of our Western Music class, grade 10 of St. Peter's College, Colombo Pro, Nigambu branch. So today we are going to talk about how to recognizing interval on hearing and recognizing major and minor triads in root position. So first we will check what is an interval. The interval is the distance in which between any two notes is called an interval. The distance between any two notes is called an interval. So let's sing these intervals and try to identify orally where the interval is played on the keyboard. Right? Let's sing these intervals. We'll go to the second one. Listen to it properly. La, la. Right. Next one. That's a listening activity. So, listen to the following intervals and put a tick into the correct box. So, I will play intervals. So, you have to put that intervals into the correct box. Okay, this is your first interval. First, sing these two notes. Now we'll check from the first note to the second note and we'll check the steps. How many steps? So it will be 8. So we put it in perfect 8. Major third, perfect 5th, 6th and major 7th. So the second interval, listen to it. So it is a third. Second one is major third. Next interval. Sing from the first note. Again. So it is a 7th. Third one is 7th. Next interval. We'll check. So it is correct. It is a 5th. Okay. Last one. It is a 6th. Okay, now they say listen to the intervals and write a note above the given note to form correct interval from the scale of C major. Right? This is C. So they asked to write a note above the given note. We have to write a note above the given note to form the correct interval. Right? This is also a listening activity. I will play the root note and the second note. So you have to find the other note, the second note. This is C. La la la. Third one. 1, 2, 3. We'll check. La la la. Yes, it is correct. C, D, E. This is a third. Major third. Next one. Next activity. This is the first note. Second note. Sing. La 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 la. Second. So this is the first one. Second note is D. C D. So it is a major second. Third one. Listen to it. La 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 la. Fifth. So this is the first one. Fifth note is C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth note. Next one. So C is the first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your second note. It's a perfect fourth. Last one. Sixth. So from here, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your sixth. See the sixth one. So the second note is A. It's a major sixth. This is how you have to identify the intervals. So now, what is a triad? Triad is a chord of 3 notes built on the root and consisting of root, the third above, and the fifth above it. Right? A triad is a chord of 3 notes. It is first one is the root, then from the root major third above and fifth above it. So major triad is a combination of a major third and minor third, or major third and perfect fifth. So you have to keep this in your memory. Major triad is a combination of major third or minor third, major third and minor fifth, or major third or perfect fifth. So if we take C as a root, right? When we are forming the next note, major third, we will take this one. From C to second note, C, D, E, third. We will check the semitones also. C to E, C to C sharp to D to D sharp to E. Correct. Major third has 4 semitones. Now from the C, the third note, when you are forming the third note, there should be perfect fifth. No, here, perfect fifth. right? C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. We will check the semitones also. C to G. Perfect fifth has 7 semitones. C to C sharp, C sharp to D, D to D sharp, D sharp to E, E to F, F to F sharp to G. Correct. Perfect fifth has 7 semitones. Now we'll check this one. Major third and minor third. C to E, major third. There are 4 semitones, C sharp to E, and from here to here, E to G, there's minor third, 2 semitones, right? When you are forming minor triad, right? Minor triad is a combination of minor third and major third, or minor third and perfect fifth, right? So we'll take this one. C, E flat, G. Perfect fifth. We'll check C. Second note should be made minor third. C, D, E. We'll check the semitones. C to C sharp to D, D to D sharp. D sharp means E flat. So it is correct, minor third. And from C to the third note, there should be perfect fifth. C, D, E, F, G. The note is correct, G. And we'll check the semitones also. C to G. Perfect fifth has 7 semitones. C. C to C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. Correct. There are 7 semitones. So the root of the major triads are given below. All these keys are majors. Build the triad above the given note. Right? You have to build the triad above the given note, and you have to form major triads. So this is treble clef. This note is G. So this is in G major. Now we are going to build a triad on this. So first note is G. When you are forming major triad, you have to follow this: major third plus perfect fifth. This is your first note, G. Third, 1, 2, 3. This is your third note. And we'll check from here to here, major third, G, G, A, B. And we'll check the semitones also. G, G sharp, A sharp, B. There are 4 semitones, so the second note is correct. From the first note, perfect fifth. G, G, A, B, C, D. Your third note should be D. And we'll check the semitones also. G to D. 7 semitones. G to G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D. So it is correct. From G to D, there are 7 semitones. So this is in G major, so better you put F sharp here. Right? We can't find any F note to put key signature, so put F sharp here. This is A flat. So this is A flat major. We will do this without key signature because they have marked flat here. To recognize this note, this triad, you have to build in A flat major. So A flat. We follow this one, major third, from A to A, B, C, third. From here to fifth. We have to take from here to fifth. 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll check the semitones also. A flat to A. Major third, 4 semitones, have 4 semitones. A flat to A sharp, B, C. Correct. From here to here, perfect fit. We have perfect fits. We check the semitones. A flat to E, A flat to A sharp, B, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So there are 8 semitones. So we have to reduce one semitone. So we will put E flat. Check in A flat major. What is the key signature of A flat major? There are 4 flats, right? There are 4 flats. So we will be getting B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So here they have put A flat. This is C, no C, and E flat. See. Third one. This is A major. From the second note should be from here to here major third. A, B, C. A sharp, B, C. C sharp. Okay. In here we have C. So we need C sharp. We can add C sharp. Then we will get 4 semitones from A to C. A sharp, B, C, C sharp. So it is correct. Now we move to perfect fifth. From here to here, perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth. And we check the semitones also. A to E. A to A sharp to D, D to C, C to C sharp to D, D to D sharp to E. Correct. 7 is E. So this is correct. Next one. This is D. D major. So this is our first note B. We'll count major third. 1, 2, 3. We check the semitones. D to D. There should be 4 semitones. B. C, C sharp, D, D sharp. So we have D. We have to put sharp in front of the note. Now we are going to form the third note. Fifth. From here to here. Fifth note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth note is this. So we check the semitones. D to F, right? B to C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp. We want F sharp, but here you have F. So we can add sharp in front of the note. So this is your B major triad. Last one, E. So this one is E major. So we will form the second note. Major third. We will form the major third. 1, 2, 3. We check the semitones. There should be 4 semitones. E. E to F. F sharp. G. G sharp. We want G sharp. So we have G. We can add sharp in front. Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect fifth. Fifth note is this. So we check the semitones. E to B, right? E to F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Correct. 7 semitones are there. The root of the minor triads are given below. Build the triad with the triads above the given notes. Same as this, but these are minor triads. So this is F. This is F minor. So when you are forming minor triads, you have to take minor third plus perfect fifth. Minor third has 3 semitones, perfect fifth has 7 semitones. So our first note is F. We form third, minor third, 1, 2, 3. Now we check the semitones. F sharp to G, G to G sharp. So we want G sharp, but we have A. To make this A to G sharp, we have to add a flat, right? So F to A flat. There's 3 semitones. So we form the second note from here to here. Fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth note is this. We'll check the semitones. F to E, F to C, F to C, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, correct. The third note is correct. So F minor triad is this. This is G. So this is G minor. We will take as G minor. G minor third, 1, 2, 3. We check the semitones. G. G to G sharp to A to A sharp. We want A sharp, but here you have B. What we have to do to make this B A sharp? We have to put a flat, right? Because another name for B flat is A sharp. Another equivalent of B flat is A sharp. So A sharp is similar to B flat. We move to the third note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps, and we'll check the semitones. E to D. E to F, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Correct. We have 7 semitones. We move to this one. This is F sharp minor. This is F sharp minor. F sharp minor has 3 sharps, no? Right. F sharp. Third, 1, 2, 3. Now we check the semitones. Minor third has 3 semitones. F sharp to G sharp, A. Right, okay? 3 types semitones. From here to here, there is a minor third. So from here to here, perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth. Now check the semitones. F sharp to G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp. We have C, so we can add sharp mark in front of the note. This is B flat, so we have to take as B flat minor. From here to here, minor third, 1, 2, 3. Check the semitones. B flat to D, B flat to B, C sharp, C sharp. So you have D. You have to make D flat. Then you will get C sharp because C sharp, D flat. No, same note. D flat. So we'll have to we have to take the third note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth, perfect fifth. 7 semitones. We'll check from G to F, G to G sharp, B flat, right? B flat to D, C sharp, D sharp, E, F. We have it, so no problem. Last one, A minor. A minor. 1, 2, 3. Third, we'll check the semitones. A to C. A to A sharp to B, B to C. Correct. From here to here, there's minor third. So from here to here, fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We check the semitones. A to A sharp, B, C sharp, D. D sharp, E. A to A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Correct. We have 7 semitones. So the triad is A, C, E. So I hope now you can build major triad as well as minor triad. So thank you and God bless you.